Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to fix Windows Update error 0xc000000E, then let's look at the following steps. Now the first one would be is to fix the BCD, the boot configuration drive. So normally the old HDDs installed in the system, so these have these kind of update these error problems. So how do we fix the BCD? We have to run certain commands in command prompt. Now those commands are as such. These commands you will find it at the bottom of this video in the description. So these commands are boot rec space / scanos scanos. Again, boot rec space / fixmbr. Boot rec space / fixboot. And the last one is boot rec space / rebuild rebuild bcd. So you copy these commands and you enter them in command prompt as administrator. So we run as administrator and we'll copy these commands. So as you can see, because my system has an SSD, so these commands will not be recognized on my system. But if you are having this error, then these commands will be recognized and the solution for your error will be here. Now if this doesn't work, a second thing we can do is run an SFC scan. So this is a hard disk scan, and how do we do it? We go to command prompt, right click, run as administrator, yes, and we type the command sfc space / scan now scannow and press enter. So this should correct the error. Now even if that doesn't work, then we run a check disk. So again we go to control panel, command prompt, run as administrator, yes, and we type the command chk dsk space / f space / r and press enter. This will run a disk check on your hard drive. Now finally, if none of these work, then a good idea would be to disable fast startup. So we do that by pressing the Windows key and R together, which will open the run box, and we type this command powercfg.cpl powercfg.cpl and press enter. Now this will open this control panel and the power option tab. Here we go to change plan settings. Okay, and we look at the change settings for the plan, and then we go to power options again. Here we click choose what the power button does, and we click change settings that are currently unavailable, because if you see, we need to turn off fast startup and it's disabled here. So we click this button, change settings that are currently unavailable, and we turn off fast startup and we press save changes. This should solve the this error problem. I hope this video helped you. Subscribe to our channel. Enjoy your day.